So I just got done fixing up this old Sears RotoSpader with the worm gear drive. It's got a, looks like I think a 4 horsepower or 4.5 power Tecumseh engine on it. Picked this thing up for just a couple of bucks, like 20 bucks I think, but it came with a lawnmower. And the carburetor was completely gummed up. The butterfly valves, both on the choke and the throttle, were not moving, so I had to do a complete rebuild on the carburetor. That is the model number. Let's fire this thing up. And first of all, take a look at the throttle cable. The plastic is broken here, but it clearly says stop right here, so this is in stop position, and then this is in a choke position. And actually the carburetor linkage has some writing on it there that says start and run and stop. So let's choke it and give her a pull. Here we go. I've already got a friend of mine, a neighbor, who's interested in bringing this back to his home. So I'll give him a call and tell him it's ready to go. There you go, the Sears RotoSpader worm gear drive Rototiller. Thanks for watching.